We tell him off when he eats those grasses like that, but he does it anyway.
Why are you so long? Why violence? Why violence? Ah!
So I got up and packed my gear onto the bike ready to go out for breakfast, and then I got maybe 100 meters down the road and it started raining. So I just got off and went home. Once it had stopped raining, I walked back out and jumped on the bike and rode back. I figured it's probably safer to drive today. Thank you. I was gonna ride in this, but I'm glad I didn't.
It's back up halfway to the cafe. The rain is real, did you know that?
My favorite part is when the fuel is $2.32 and the cheapest local is $2 flat, because then when you use your little locked in thing, they capped it at 25 cents. So I'm actually paying like $2.10, which feels like a bit of a scam from 7-Eleven, to be honest. Need to have a break from editing to get ice cream. Look, it's Christmas. Did you know it's Christmas?
Yes.
New 7-Eleven opened, and Gems was like, we have to go check it out. So here we are at 7-Eleven. And today's an actual short vlog. See you tomorrow.